Okay. Treasure.
Let's dig for treasure.
Hey, get. Oh no, look. What dirt?
Wow.
The hose. Hose.
That's a big hole.
No, look.
What are you looking for?
Treasure.
Treasure?
Treasure.
Hey, you threw dirt on me.
Oh, dirt. Oh, dirt. Simon, I'll clean it.
Thank you.
Oh no, I can't clean it.
That's okay. I'm all right. It's just dirt. What you got in there? Some tools? Do you have shells in there?
Kite.
What are you doing?
Look at my house. I found treasure. I can't pull it out.
Oh, is that a root?
Yeah.
That's a hard one.
Okay.
Wow, cool.
I got this.
Dig, dig, dig. Wow, look at that hole. That's big. Do you like digging for treasure? What all do you have? You have backhoe, dump trucks, some shovels, some dirty hands.
Okay.
What'd you get? Let me see. Is that a seashell?
No shell.
Oh, it's a shell.
Oh,
Are you using that to dig?
yeah.
Oh.
A sharky. A sharky.
Oh my gosh, what is that?
A shell.
It looks like a plant bulb, flower bulb.
Look, a shell. More shells. I found something. I found something.
Use your drill. Why don't you use your drill again?
Okay. Again. I'm again.
Oh, that'll make loosen it up.
Okay, guys.
Awesome. Scooping up the dirt with your shell?
Yeah.
Oh man.
It's dirt. Okay. There's something to put my truck.
Back to your truck. That's a bigger shell, huh?
Are they close?
Yeah. Awesome.
Worms.
There's worms in there? Say, hey friends. Hi worms.
Hey, worms.
I like worms. Do you like worms too?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're so cool.
A worm in my mouth.
No, yeah, we don't want worms in your mouth. That would be gross.
Ice.
What'd you find?
Ice.
Oh, wow, cool. You're going to put it in your dump truck? It's got all your other treasures that you found in it.
And look. They put my dump truck.
Yeah, put it in the dump truck.
I'm back on my way. What back are doing?
I don't know. You heard something?
What?
There's rocks in your backhoe?
Yeah.
That's funny.
Mud. That mud.
Yeah, it's mud.
That waited. Mommy, I waited.
The rain did it?
Yeah.
The rain made mud? All right, you got your truck over here now. Let's see what's in the trunk. Open it up, let's see. Oh, Oh my God. It's full of shells.
Aha.
Aha.
That one.
That one is the one you needed?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. That's the one. Perfect.
I could put it.
And the scooper.
No. I could put.
That one's cool. The backhoe, huh? That one's cool because you can take that one apart. Puddle's gone. Yeah. It's gonna rain tonight and then we'll have a puddle tomorrow.
Really?
Yeah, really.
Okay.
Are you gonna jump in it?
Yes.
Who else likes to jump in muddy mud puddles?
Chicken.
Tristan does. Who else? Does Peppa Pig like to jump in muddy puddles? But she has to wear her boots. What are you doing? Are you in that hole? Pretty cool.
Oh no, one more.
You gonna dig some more?
Yeah.
All right. Well, can you tell everybody bye?
Bye.
You say bye, friends.
Bye, friends.
Look over here at me. Say bye, friends.
Bye, friends.
Say see you next time.
And that time.
Like and subscribe.
Cry.
Say to two brothers play.
To Barry's boy.
All right. Wave. Wave bye. Bye. Awesome job, bud.
Play.
Yeah, you can keep playing.
Get close.
Yeah.
Another. Another.
Whoa, cool. That was a big clump of dirt. That's awesome.
Another.